Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to install PowerToys and technically how to use them. And as you can see right now, I'm currently in a GitHub page because this is one of the ways to install PowerToys. So the first thing is gonna be this one. Make sure this is the link you're in. You can post a video if you need to. So github.com/Microsoft/PowerToys/releases. So make sure this is the one you're on. The version is 0.75.1. To download, simply click on this option right there, machine-wide by 64. Now, if you don't want to use this method, if you don't like GitHub, second option is much more convenient for you. This is the one I used earlier, so go to your search bar right there, simply look for Microsoft Store. And then this window will pop up. It's a blue background window, technically like a Play Store or an App Store, but for your computer. And that being said, with this one, simply choose on the search bar, PowerToys. And you'll see this application. The very first result should be this one. Simply click on it. And then this is gonna be the application landing page. So simply click on install right there. So since I already have installed on my end, it's gonna say install. This is much more convenient for me if you don't like the GitHub way earlier. So that being said, let me just remove this one, minimize it, and focus on my desktop. So this is going to be my desktop, and simply the first thing I want to show you is going to be this one. Make sure you click on the power tools right there. If you click on that one, you'll see the shortcuts. It's not technically a tool, but for me, it's pretty convenient having this set of tools ready to go whenever you need them. And that being said, with this one, let's open up again the PowerToys. Simply click on Microsoft Store right there, or just go here. Click on it and click on more. You'll see this option. All of them are right there. So you can either enable them if you want them on your shortcut, like so. And then simply untoggle them if you don't need them. I'm just gonna open PowerToys one more time. And this is gonna be the main landing page, or rather, the application of PowerToys. So this is gonna be the side right there, the section on the left side. These are gonna be the tools. So much right there, there are actually a lot. But we're just gonna go through with some of the few. For me, that's gonna be best. So number one for me is gonna be mouse without borders. Let's just look for it. Now this one basically is having a mouse or cursor run through all your screens. As you can see right there, mouse without borders is a quick and easy way to remove your cursor across multiple devices. So simply click on enable right there, and you'll get this somewhat they call it key. So you can need this key to connect all of your computers, specifically with mouse with borders. For example, click on new key right there, copy this, and simply click on connect, and basically do this the same thing on your other computers. That's how mouse without borders works. Next one is gonna be paste as plain text. As you can see right there, it's gonna be an awesome part right there. So let's just try an example. So hello there. As you can see right now, this specific text or this specific phrase or sentence, you might say, has some features. For example, this is on bold, this has underline, or rather we call it right there underline, and this three numbers has color. So basically, paste as plain text works like this. Copy the text that you want to paste and then simply use the shortcut. And you can see right there, let me just check the shortcut again. So the shortcut will be Windows Control Alt V. If you want to change it or remap it, basically click on it. So again, that's going to be Windows. Let's copy it first. Windows Control Alt V, right? It's pretty much a handful with your fingers overlapping. Anyway, that's how you do it without even considering this one. This is actually much easier. Right click, paste option, keep text only. Easy as that. You don't have to move your fingers a lot. Anyway, that being said, that is paste as plain text for you guys. Now going back, another tool is going to be called peek. This one right here. So the shortcut for this one is going to be control space. So let's try it out. I have my file explorer opened up right there. I'm just open it as a sample photo for you guys. I have some right there. So let's try this one, this clip art, and then control space. Easy as that. Basically, it's the same thing. Double clicking the photo and just hovering it. Anyway, that is peek for you guys. So the next one is going to be registry preview. Let's go on with this one. Basically, it's just a tool that reads our .register files. So I have it right here rather than making them into text or opening them in a text format. It's gonna open up in a reg file. So open this one. Try preview right there. Click on run, and you'll see it on a Steam registry file using this rather registry preview. It's not gonna open up in a text file anymore. Basically, that's how it works. Now, next tool right there is gonna be crop and lock. It's gonna be this one. It's gonna be this shortcut. Windows Control Shift T. So how it works like this. Windows Control Shift T. It's gonna ask you to lock a specific text. And then as you can see right there, document word crop, it's not showing because this is not actually available for now with document. We need to enable something. And as you can see, there is nothing to be enabled of. Anyway, you make sure this is toggled, and that's how you use it. This shortcut right there. Maybe there's a bug in the system right now, but anyway, that's how you use it. It's just simply a snipping tool that is remastered. Now moving on to the mouse jump. Actually, this one for mouse jump is inside mouse utilities, inside this one right here, and look for mouse jump. Mouse jump right there, click on enable. Basically, it's quickly move the mouse pointer to long distances. So Windows Shift D right there. Make sure you do this on your desktop. Anyway, you don't need that actually. For me, I'd rather have my mouse as it is. So those are the basic tools I want to show you guys, and a highlight of the tools that have been updated before. One of which would be the keyboard manager. Should be this one right there. Let's just look for it. So the keyboard manager right now, the update now supports numpad. Before they only support the main keyboard tool, but now they have mousepad. And then next one is a text extractor. For this one, they now support change in language, but make sure they have the specific OCR, or rather the pack installed without the specific language. Now lastly, the PowerToys run tool right there basically is the same thing, but with this one, you can open MSC files right now. Much like the one earlier, the registry preview, with PowerToys you can open MSC files. It's a lot actually, these are the new updates, but the most intriguing or most interesting is opening a .msc file. That being said, that's how we install and use PowerToys Microsoft. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye for now.